Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. Thanks for checking by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add softwares to your Linux distribution using a GUI-based installer or using a GUI interface. In the previous video that I did, I used the command line or the shell to perform this operation. In this video, we are going to look at how we can use a graphical user interface based installation tool for this. We have two types of software that we can use here, or that are normally used. We have the Synaptic and the Gdebi. These two softwares are the main one that we use as a graphical installation on Linux distributions. So in this video, we are going to look at how we can install Synaptic and use it to install other software packages that we want. So to install Synaptic, we use the apt command. Synaptic. Okay, this is the command for installing Synaptic. Let's use sudo. Unable to locate the package. Let me check if the internet connection is good. Okay, the connection is good. So here it says we need additional space of this for the installation. Yeah, we have that space. So let's move straight to yes. Let's wait a while the Synaptics install. Let's see if we can run this. Okay, so this is it. Synaptic package manager. Let's open that software. This is a GUI-based interface where we can install other softwares without using the terminal. So now we can search for the software that we want. We already have fish, but let's try installing fish. Searching for fish and see. So we have different fish packages. 2D point, science fiction, web browser for plasma mobile. So with the fish, we have different softwares with the name fish inside our repository. Yeah, friendly interactive share, that one we already installed it. Okay, so let me try a software that we don't have. Let me try Snot. If Snot is here. IP table rule translator. Okay. So this is how it works. You can use it to find any software that you want to install. Not find a specific software. I think this software is not available in the repository. Which software? Let me see if ZenMap is available. Yeah. Network, multi-platform graphical. We already have it installed. I want us to try a software, any software. Okay. Okay, so now we have select this. You can go to apply. Let you install this software. So to install, you need to mark that software, then we apply it. Download package files only. Let me mark it for installation. Apply. The package is downloading. So this is how we can add software package to our Linux distribution using the GUI interface, that's Synaptic package manager. So that's it for today's video. I will show you the last way that you can use to install softwares to our Linux distribution, that's the Git.